Hi, I'm Fauzia, Tutor Online's digital assistant, and today I will show you how to make a 3D avatar like the one you see behind me. Let's go. First of all, if you don't already have it, download Snapchat and Bitmoji apps. You can create the same account both on Snapchat and Bitmoji. Now choose all the details of the look you desire. You can choose your hairstyle, you can choose the color of your eyes and every details that you want. Choose a dress that you like, and when you are done, save it. From the Snapchat app, you can always change your outfit. You have some preset outfits here. You can choose anything that you desire. As you scroll it, you can see different options. Right here, you can choose the color that you want. Once you are ready and you have decided which ones that your avatar should wear, then go on and press save. In Snapchat, you can see the function of the lenses, which then allow you to save some Bitmojis in 3D so that you can use it in different contexts. This makes communications actually more dynamic. In order to find the Bitmoji actions, you need to search through the search lens and insert some keywords. In the description box of this video, you will find the keywords of those you see here in this video. Now let's see from the app here. It usually shows the most recent ones you used. At the beginning, it shows only the other lenses. Not always you find your Bitmoji 3D right here. At first, you need to search it through keywords. For example, dancing, catwalk, cooking, blowing a kiss, pointing to someone, laughing, playing the guitar, taking a picture. This is my favorite actually. Cooking. Just keep on scrolling and searching. If you have your computer open on a page, for example, you can project the 3D avatar from your smartphone on the open page of the computer and record a short clip to share it in different social media platforms. Through keywords, you can find the actions you want. Just search, for example, as we have seen before, Bitmoji blowing a kiss in the search box. To adjust the size, you can use your two fingers. You can move closer, further apart, or rotate. The 3D Bitmojis can also be used outdoors. Just choose the Bitmoji avatar you want, then point to a spot and then press the lens to record. Or even indoors, point to the spot you want, then press the lens and record it. That's it. It's time to go outdoors and take some pictures. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more of these videos translated into English, please subscribe, and I will make sure that you will have one video every week about tech, not only Bitmojis of course, and I will see you next time. Bye.